The road construction industry also faces the challenge of reducing emissions. In public tenders, authorities increasingly demand emission-reduced or even emission-free construction work to reduce environmental impact. A real challenge for road construction contractors. The Victon Group has long since responded to these demands and now already offers solutions that enable local zero emissions. Our battery electric machines produce no direct emissions and are therefore ideal for use on inner-city construction sites. The noise emissions are also low, which reduces stress for local residents and the operating personnel. In addition, we have introduced the world's first burner for asphalt mixing plants that can run with 100% green hydrogen. The mobile impact crusher can either be connected to a local power grid or operated with reduced emissions using alternative fuels. For our customers, this means significantly lower CO2 emissions in the overall process chain, lower energy costs for electric drives, and compliance with strict criteria in public tenders. For construction sites with local zero emissions, today and in the future, with products from the Victon Group.